Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Julie. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of November 15th through November 21st. Alright, so of course I am in my Makselife planner. However, instead of pulling a normal fall kit, I am actually going to be using some stuff for Go Wild from Chrissy Ann Designs. No, it is not Go Wild week. However, I will be spending the majority of the week in California with the team from Go Wild, as well as a few other friends, and we're going to be doing some prep for Go Wild in March. So I am super excited about that. I've used parts of this kit in the past, but there are parts like I'm not going to use like the speaker page because it's not Go Wild. I probably won't use any of these Steves, maybe. I may end up using some of the filming ones once I, kind of back plan, because I think a lot of it will have to be some back planning that's going to happen. But there will be some other elements that I will add to this, and it's going to be super fun. So, all right, and I'm not going to use that page either because that is for a memory keeping page that I ordered. And then I think I'll probably use the flight info pages or stickers as well. Some of the list pages I'll definitely use, as well as some of these other stickers as well. Now I think I'm going to use the date covers, but not the Go Wild Planaheim. I'm actually going to use these strips right here that are a little bit more blank because again, it is not exactly Go Wild. Let's start with the date covers, and I will have to kind of cut them to fit, just because these are made for, I think the EC hourly. Yeah, I had to think there for a second. I'm like, what is this made for again? But it is super easy to add the date covers and kind of make it go together, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to use my cutting tool and a ruler and cut off the excess. And I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but my allergies are kicking my ass like so freaking bad. So I tend to get seasonal allergies more like in the spring, but I also get them in the fall, and this year has been the worst. It gets bad because the temperatures fluctuate so much in the fall. Like we start off super cold and you need heat, and then by midday it is so hot you need the AC on. I don't do well with that. So here we are, sounding like I smoke a pack of cigarettes a day. And it's one of those things too where like if someone comes around me that does smoke, it triggers my allergies big time. And during our open enrollment, even though we wore masks and did all that stuff and we were safe, you kind of can smell the cigarette smoke, and we have a lot of smokers where we work. So I think that that might have triggered some things to get even worse, which has not been fun. But I'm hanging in there. I don't feel horrible. It's just annoying. You know how allergies are. Annoying as hell. Okay, so getting these thick washi strips down, and perfect. Okay. I love these colors so much, and one of the good things is that I believe Kristen also has this kit like more updated for 2022 in her shop, so I was totally okay with using bits and pieces of this sticker kit for our trip to California. Let's add the date covers, and I think I'm going to need my tweezers because these date dots are a little bit smaller and I want to be able to put them on straight. That would be nice, or as straight as I possibly can. So let's talk about this past week though. It was probably like one of the best weeks ever. Like I cannot even express like just how well everything went. So first of all, it was I ended up launching my font. So, and I was honestly going to wait a few more weeks. I was so excited to eventually launch it, but I was like, I'm just going to send it to a handful of people, get some feedback, change whatever I could change, things like that. And I got such good feedback from the people that I sent it to. I was just blown away. And I asked a few people, like, should I wait to launch it? Like, I don't know what to do. And they were just amazing, and they were like, nope, launch it right now, launch it right now. And I was like, okay, I can't like right now, but maybe tomorrow. And so that's what I ended up doing, was launching it on Wednesday. And what was really, really cool though is that I sent it to 2 sticker shops in advance, 2 of my favorites, which were Planner Kate and Chrissy Ann Designs, obviously. And they responded so very well. Like, both of them put it in their shop like the day before I launched my font, and I was just like, it was like a pinch me moment. This was all happening while I was at work, and I was like, is this really happening? It has been a dream of mine to have my work in their shops, like, for so long. And then of course, after all this happened, I was like, why did I wait so long? Why did I doubt myself? You know, it was really an amazing week, and I was just so extremely grateful that everything went well with the font. I uploaded it to my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. It went off without a hitch. Like, literally maybe one person messaged me that they didn't quite understand how to download it, and I think I responded to their email like within 10 minutes, but before I even got to hit send, they were like, oh my God, never mind, you know? So that, because honestly, I will be really honest with you, that was my biggest fear, was if people had difficulties downloading it, and if I was not like tech savvy enough to walk them through it, I would have truly felt so bad. But there were really like no issues. It was awesome. That was great. At work last week was like a roller coaster. We had open enrollment. I think I talked to you guys about that a little bit last week, and that actually went pretty smoothly. I had Friday off, which was great. We actually had our dinner downtown to celebrate our anniversary on Friday, even though it's actually today on Sunday when I'm filming this. We could only get a reservation at the restaurant we really wanted to eat at on Friday, and you know, just had to kind of deal with it. So we did. It was amazing. I'm trying to find these trackers that I need to put for my habits side. It was just outstanding. I had a lot of like first time things. Like, the name of the restaurant in Savannah is called Alligator Soul. It was an experience, let me tell you that. It's not something that you can go to like and meet your friends there every Friday night. I mean, unless you're about that life. We are not. Everything was absolutely delicious. We had an amazing server. We had this like it was basically like a charcuterie board, but it had like the most amazing cheeses on it that I probably can't even pronounce. And just like the name of the restaurant, yes, they did serve alligator, and yes, I tried it, which is so unlike me. I was adamant going there. I was like, I will have anything but alligator. And I tried it, and it was actually pretty good. Would I eat it like regularly? No, but I can't knock it, and I'm glad that I was, you know, open to trying it once we sat down. I also got a flight of wines from Napa. I immediately thought of Cindy, because that's where she used to live, and those were also amazing and very strong. Those were just really great. Everything was just a fantastic experience. They even made us this little like gift box, and it was like happy 24th anniversary printed on it on a sticker. They did spell our name wrong, but like we're so used to it, we literally just laughed. Like, everybody spells our name wrong. So it was just a really great week. And then yeah, I have some more stuff to share about work things, but I'm gonna wait till after this week, and we'll share that with you next week. But like I said, it was a great week. Okay, now I can kind of like focus. I think that I want to use this sticker, and I want to kind of top off or finish off this week with this sticker, because there's definitely going to be some pictures. So I'm going to have to take the majority of these habit trackers back off, which is fine, because let's be real, I'm not going to be tracking my habits that hard when I'm spending 4 days in California. So there's that. Let's just be honest with ourselves, right? Put those there. And then we can get this part down, and let's see how that works. That doesn't look too bad. I love that, and I'm definitely gonna order this kit again. I haven't looked at the new one, if it's listed in her shop, but I'm excited about it. All right, so videos for this week. It's gonna be like a rough couple of weeks over here on my channel, just because there's so much going on, and with me not getting back until like 11 o'clock at night on Sunday, my weekly plan with me is probably going to be late. There's not going to be a Monday video next week, if that makes sense. I like to tell you guys in advance if I possibly can. I can't seem to find the stickers that I need. They are around here somewhere. I thought this came with like some pretty event labels. Doesn't really, it's more decorative is what this kit is. So I'm going to use these for videos. So obviously today is the plan with me. I do already have a daily plan with me done as well, but I'm not totally sure what I'm going to do for Friday's video just yet. I will be vlogging while I'm in California, or attempting to. I have such a hard time vlogging on trips. One, because I like to be a little bit present. Two, this is indeed a business trip, so I want to make sure that I am, you know, doing what I'm needing to do while I'm there. But at the same time, if I can, I will vlog and take you guys along with me and share that. But obviously it will be the following week that I would be sharing that video. So not sure 100% yet about Friday. Another big thing is the Makselife launch for this week. So lots of cool things happening this week. Trying to find some half boxes. So the actual launch is on Wednesday. However, if you are in Club Moxie, it's today when you're watching this video. If you're on their email list, that's kind of the early shopping for those who are subscribed to their emails, but we're not in Club Moxie. Then if you weren't in Club Moxie and did not subscribe to emails, then your launch day is on the 17th. Trying to figure out how I want to mark that, but I think I might just put the launch on Wednesday, since that's actually the launch day for like everyone, no matter what, right? So I'm going to put that here. I am going to get to my work meetings. I'm just avoiding them. Oh my goodness. All right, so as far as meetings go, I have got, let's see, I guess I could use these skinnier, like header type labels for that. But Monday I have 3 meetings. So at 10 o'clock I have an interview. Kind of want to use this orange. And then at 2 o'clock I have a meeting. And then at 3:30 I have one more interview on Monday. And then as of right now, I actually don't have any meetings for Tuesday. It's still open enrollment across our organization, except at my location we're done. But some of the meetings that I have on Tuesday are with those other locations. So since they're doing their open enrollment, a lot of my meetings have been canceled. I am not mad about that. So that is it for Monday and pretty much for Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, I saw a flight check-in sticker somewhere around here. And that is right here. And I'm gonna make sure to put that right kind of in the middle on Wednesday so I can check in for my flight on Thursday. I love these little flight info stickers. I'm gonna use that one for Thursday morning. And what's funny is I looked at the weather, and the weather in Anaheim is very similar to Georgia right now. I'm just wondering how the humidity is going to play into things. It's about the same temperature wise, but we all know the humidity is what makes things questionable. Like it totally can determine like what you're supposed to wear and all this stuff. So we shall see. All right, so what I think I want to do is put some of the more decorative stickers up. Oh, I do need a pack bag sticker. I guess I can't forget to pack my bags. And that is right here. And I also need another flight check-in sticker. She really did think of all of the things with these. Like you need to check in twice, obviously. One for going home and one for flying there. I'm gonna pack late Wednesday because I did not exactly plan ahead, or I just won't be able to plan further ahead as far as packing goes. I have like a somewhat of a packing list, but it's gonna be pretty chill, so not too worried about it. I'm not gonna lie, I went this weekend though and grabbed a super cute backpack that's a little bit smaller than my work backpack. It's not like as clunky to carry around because we will be going from like location to location kind of thing. All right, let's put flight check-in, or yeah, flight check-in here. I can't even keep track of what I'm doing. Love this. Okay, and then what's going to be hard is that I don't really have a whole lot of things to put on these 3 days just yet. I'm gonna use this time to go sticker over here on Sunday. I'm trying to think of what else I can use before I put down any of the larger decorative stickers. All right, so I think I'm just gonna move on to the full boxes, and I really love like the palm tree. Again, I don't want too many things that are like go wild because it's not actually go wild. It's like the prep for it. So there's that one. I think that the lights, camera, action is going to be appropriate for what we're doing, so that's gonna be super cute. And I wanna save space for stickers because this is definitely gonna be more of a memory keeping type spread. And I definitely want to use the planners and palm trees. Not planners and palm trees, I'm looking at that one. But planner friends make the best friends because I'm sure we're going to have some downtime. I want to use this notepad and the pen over on Tuesday because I will probably be working on my packing list just to make sure that I have everything that I need, because it will really help me with overpacking. And I know that there is a packing list sticker over here. I like to even plan down to like the outfits that I'm wearing per day because again, it prevents overpacking. Do I want to put that there? Kind of like that, like that. Ugh, I can't tell. Let's put it up here. It's like taking up the whole day, but that's okay. I think that that might be it. I think I'm gonna also add some checklists in here that are just gonna help, like they're just gonna be more relevant to packing and all that fun stuff. So we'll use this one on Tuesday and then one on Thursday. Nope. I don't really need one on Thursday. I will be in California that evening. So I'll just use one, and that will be for just getting ready for the actual trip. All right. Oh my gosh, I think that that is it, and that is super cute. And I know that there's not a lot of actual plans because again, I will be out of town Thursday through Sunday, but I love this and I'm even more excited for Go Wild, so it needs to hurry up and get here. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll be sure to share as much as I can on how this week went next week, so be sure to keep an eye out for those videos. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.